Wow, the day has finally come. My dearest soulmate, 15 years of courtship. It seems like it was only yesteryear that we first met. Here we are closing a page and now starting a new chapter. I love that you allow me to be my true self.
On this 26th day of October 2023, we stand before each other, ready to start the biggest adventure of our lives. I know that it will not be easy, but I also know that most days will be filled with love and laughter. I can't imagine sharing this experience with anyone else but you.
Denise and Regan, kia ora. Welcome to this absolutely stunning spot that you have chosen right down here at the bottom of the world to say your vows, surrounded by all of the important people in your life.
Days run, nights fall away.
Today is already a special date for you. It's your 15th anniversary, but today is about to become even more special for you. You will become husband and wife.
Take my hand.
Regan, Denise loves everything that you bring to her life. She loves your kindness, your thoughtfulness. And Denise, Regan, he loves the fact that you're a strong, independent woman. You're steadfast, you're so caring.
Turn down the lights tonight, moon's our guide. We dance, we sing.
Hi, bro. As I look back at our journey, how every turn in the road led us here to each other, to meet you, to know you, to fall in love with who you are.
You're my best friend, the love of my life, and my soulmate. I get to laugh with you, cry with you, care for you, and share with you.
Let's get lost, ignore the signs.
I vow to grow old together as a couple through shared experiences, good times or bad, so we can share with each other what life means on a deeper level.
Heart run wild, knows no end.
I pledge to honor, encourage, and support you throughout our journey together.
Rise again.
Congratulations to Regan and Denise for this special day. Thanks Denise for being my sister. And as for Regan, through the way I see he treats my sister, I'm very confident that my sister has chosen the right person. I believe they will have more 15 years together. Thanks Regan, and please remember to take care of my sister.
You know how well the two of them actually match each other, because Denise is very independent and she's very strong. And to be honest, although I disturb you, I always call you Ta Sao now, right? But actually from the first time that he brought you to meet us, I already treated you as my Ta Sao lah. I already knew that this day will come. We are all very happy. My father, I'm sure he's very, very, very happy witnessing this moment as well. And I know that he will wish that he will be here today. We have your back, so we are behind you.
Turn down the lights tonight, moon's our guide. We dance, we sing.
To my new family, thanks for welcoming me with open arms and accepting me into the team 15 years ago.
Let's run from the dawn before it knows we're gone.
Thank you for accepting me into the family, and don't worry, I will definitely take care of your precious daughter. When the going gets tough, I will stand by you and uplift you so that we can accomplish more and get stronger through our union than we could alone.
Marriage is love. It is with the greatest excitement I get to pronounce you as husband and wife and say you may seal your marriage with a kiss.
We dance, we sing, we live, we love tonight.
I give you my word to be your navigator and partner in life, to share the good times and the bad, as well as to celebrate life with you forevermore. I love you.
Turn out the lights tonight, moon's all night.
To my best friend in the universe, I'm so happy our hearts found their way home to each other. Loving you feels natural. I love you.